special. We're getting stuff stuck and then getting stuff unstuck. That's basically going to be the theme of today. That's right, folks. Today is not Friday, and it's not your usual video, but it's hopefully somewhere near Christmas. So, wanted to make a video just to say Merry Christmas and thank y'all for watching throughout the year and that kind of thing. So, this is sort of like a compilation of me and a bunch of my friends, just, you know, being hooligans on the racetrack. There's not a real clear plot line in this video, other than we had some fun racing with our friends. And that's basically what it is. If you're into watching some guys rally racing on beater cars in the snow, this video will be for you. If you're hoping for a how-to, this video won't be for you. Now, if we're honest, we kind of all swapped around in each other's cars, and it's difficult to tell who's driving what at any given moment. Brother Steve mostly drove the Challenger. Hot Rod Shane was the primary driver in the Escape. Our buddy Stace drove the Mustang and the Subaru. Cousin Trevor drove maybe everything. Nephew Sam drove the Dakota for a while, but he's 10, so that never actually happened. Buddy Kyle mostly drove the Crown Victoria the 2 times it came out. And Brian drove his big Cruise Culture Suburban, just to put Cruise Culture on the map at Heathen's racetrack. And as for me, I mostly ran around with a camera and fell down a lot. I hope you folks can enjoy the show and have a very Merry Christmas from everyone here at Heathen's Garage.
Well, the official route through the track that you're taking us on?
Yeah, I'll try and keep it official because it's not bad, but I think the first time a guy goes on it, they get lost pretty easy.
Dude, I've been on like 5 times. I still get lost every time.
I'm questioning which way I go right now.
Straight through.
Thank you. Shane at least remembers it.
I've done a few laps here.
Don't go over there. That's a big pond.
Oh, okay. I'm going.
By a pond, I mean it's a hole because it doesn't have water in it.
Half, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Why does this have no power?
Because it has 1,200 pounds of man in it.
Oh, because I didn't get the traction control off.
Well, I
So,
told you.
see, now we got power.
So Brian, Ethan and I lived together in Lethbridge a lot of years ago. Yeah, I was going to school and he moved away, and we were both coming home from Lacombe one weekend, and he had like an old Dodge, and I think it was the first vehicle he'd ever owned that had cruise control.
Yeah.
So I was following him home, and all of a sudden I look, and Ethan's like on the shoulder, on the brakes, like in the oncoming. No, it's not in the oncoming, but like all over the place. And I was like, I texted him, I was like, dude, what's going on? And he texted me back, and he's like, oh, sorry, man, yeah, my cruise control shut off, and I had to take my feet off the seat to...
Also, if you're driving this thing, it doesn't stop good. Like, just so you know, it really doesn't stop good.
Nothing's going to stop very well today.
So we might want to move that car. Because I really wanted to hoon it around there, but... Let's move a few cars.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't need anybody doing that.
It's okay, Brian's is gonna get hit first. Now for a special segment we'll call Shane-isms.
Yeah, we'll do that. Alright. No, that's not the proper driving position. It doesn't work. Can't reach the pedals. Brakes are non-existent. Traction is a myth. Slow is fast. No, it's not. Smooth is fast? I don't know. Oh, yeah. I like that. I like that. I'm trying to really just dust Ethan with as much snow as possible right now.
You're not going anywhere, Steve. I'll try and back it up. Now I'm all snowy. Well, at least it was recording, if you got it. That, folks, is Brian Holzi himself in the passenger seat.
I'm trying to get you the Jimmy Dale womp through there now.
Womp, 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 womp. Too many rocks and things flying.
Yeah, I already rearranged his bumper there a little bit too.
I see that. Just a little touch.
Little love tap.
Right here is where we need to speed him up just a little bit. Just give him a little extra speed. It's actually probably really good footage.
If I can hold it steady enough, maybe.
Yeah, I need a gimbal, maybe. Whatever it's called.
He just wants to ride the bank, but it just won't stick.
He's getting his flow in.
Yeah.
We'll catch his momentum here in a moment.
Yeah.
Good choice, Kyle. Go whatever direction you can make the car go. Coming up for a tap.
He hasn't touched the middle pedal yet.
No.
So.
I pushed him off too far. Dang it.
That's gonna need a pull.
Yeah, Shane's got one. He's preoccupied at the moment.
They're just trying to line myself up, guys. Just hang tight.
check out this beautiful OBS Suburban. The Heather half of Heathen's garage even joined for a lap or three.
It just sprayed Brian a little bit.
Could only hang on to it for so long.
That was a change.
Oh, yeah, well, we lost control is what happened.
I felt in control.
Did you?
Yeah, that was weird. Kids now? 2 of them want to come, the oldest 2.
Yeah.
It's a good day at Heathen's garage and the dirt track. Got the kiddies going around now as passengers. Now that the actual racing is done. Challenger is leading the way, followed by Parts Runner Subaru. Sunset off in the distance. Oh no, we're over some bankage.
All in all, folks, hope you have a Merry Christmas. It's been a pretty good day here at Heathen's Garage. Matter of fact, it's been a good year. Appreciate y'all watching and subscribing. Where are the cars that were supposed to show up behind me?